My name is Chris. I just had 75 million units of stem cells IV for fibromyalgia, something I've been dealing with for about 5 years. So I'm hoping to have that resolve. Fatigue, pain, any muscle issues related to it, fatigue issues. Hoping I have my energy back to be functional and less pain, less chronic pain, and so on. It interferes with work, ability to work, do things at home, and so on. So I'm hoping to resolve some of the limitations that I have and be able to get back to work and be active and functional and contributing to the world and helping other people.
Right, and how was the experience and the doctors and the clinic, and could you just tell us a bit about that?
The clinic was amazing. Everything was upfront. They spoke clearly and communicated effectively, so I understood what I was doing every step of the way with confidence and assuredness that I knew what I was getting into and so on. The staff was great and very informative, very competent, and also very efficient. The IV infusion happened very quickly, probably the fastest infusion I've had in my life. So I'm very happy about that. So I hope I'm not leaving anything else out.